hair is legit right here. You guys see that? So yeah, I didn't really like that, you know. This bag, how much? I believe like... What's up, YouTube? My name is Cobes. I go by Cobes the King. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for returning. If you're not, go ahead and subscribe. What are you waiting for? So before I get into the video, you guys, I do have a cold. It is December, and I have allergies. So if I sound congested and nasally, it's because I have a cold. But let's just get into the video. So I have the UGG collaboration small black bag. And it just got here today. I actually did take it out the box, but it's still in the plastic packaging. And one thing I noticed right off the bat is that the original bags, well, I can't remember if my first small bag came in like a miniature packaging like this, because I actually got that one like was like fresh on the scene. But usually the bags come with like they come in plastic, but it's like a zipper type deal. So I thought it was interesting that they have it in this bag and it just has like a seal, and then it says UGG times Telfar on it. It's okay, you know, getting my money's worth. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out the packaging. Here is the bad boy. And I believe this is the first time that they released this bag, so I was one of the first people to have it. And some things that I noticed, like as soon as I took it out, is that some hair was like coming off. Mind you, now this is real sheep fur, and it says it on here, it's real sheep fur, but I thought it was just interesting, you know? See that? So yeah, I didn't really like that, you know. This bag, how much? I believe like, yeah. So this bag was $205. And I just feel like the hair shouldn't be coming off like that for $205. But I'm gonna get by that. So it has these tags on here. UGG times Telfar. It says, way back in 2010, we made an unauthorized, deconstructed UGG classic boot, the centerpiece of our fall-winter fashion show. That was way before collaborations were a thing, before accessible was considered fashionable, and before a black-owned, gender-free label was considered possible. We've got a long way to go. Better dressed comfortably. I actually like that. You know, it shows growth. It shows how far they've come. And yes, this is real fur from a sheep. The fur has been artificially dyed and treated from Australia. So yeah, you guys can get a better look at it. They have the straps like taped up. So I am really feeling the packaging. I'm one of those people who pays attention to like the little things. So I do appreciate the nice packaging. And inside, so they have some stuffing to keep the shape of bag, which I do appreciate. I don't think my white one that I got like 2 years ago now, or a year ago, came like with all of this. It definitely didn't come with this. I believe this is like a certification card. Let's see. No, this is the care suggestions card. It says avoid contact with oils and alcohols. Do not expose to direct sources of heat. Store in a cool, dry place. Proper care will extend the quality and luxury of accessories. So yeah, just basically telling you, take care of your stuff, which I'm a big advocate for. I feel like if you paid X amount of money for it and this is like a high-end product, you definitely should take care of it. And then it has a dust bag. Now, I'm almost positive that my white small bag didn't come with a dust bag, but this is when UGG was like fresh on the scene. But it's good to see that they're like including stuff like this with these bags, because you pay so much money. Like, why not have a dust bag for the bag? So yeah, and this is just what the dust bag looks like. Just Times Telfar dust bag. This is great because I be needing dust bags because, you know, my closet tends to get dusty from time to time. You don't want like your bag covered in dust while it's sitting in the closet, you know, waiting to be worn. And that's pretty much all that's inside. It also has a label tag inside. It says Times Telfar, so they're definitely like branding it properly. And then on the inside tag, it just has an UGG tag and such. So it definitely feels like a collaboration. Like, it doesn't just feel like UGG agreed to do a deal with Telfar and they say, okay, yeah, you can slap the UGG symbol on it and just call it a day. You know, it definitely feels like a collaboration. I feel like it was a great idea to have the shearling, you know, because UGGs, they have shearling on the inside, so it makes sense to kind of put it on the outside, incorporate it with the logo. Like, I really like that. That was one thing that really got me. And on the back, it has a tag with stitching UGG Times Telfar. So I'm liking the details. You know, it's pretty simple, but it's also like an attention grabber. And so some things, you know, that you might be able to fit in here: phone, your wallet. I don't know where mine is, but shades, you know. Let's just see. Shades. A pen. Pop that bad boy in there. And you know, that's pretty much all. Let me see if I can find my wallet. So here's my wallet. And then you gotta have your chapstick. And that's pretty much all that's gonna fit in this bad boy, as you guys can see. I'm gonna go ahead and take the straps loose. See what the straps looking like. It has clean stitching on it as well. Like, I'm someone who pays attention to the stitching as well. The stitching is really clean. Yeah. That's one thing. When you pay a lot of money for a piece or an item, definitely pay attention to the stitching. Here are the straps. I think I like the bag better with the straps. Like, yeah, I was gonna wear it with straps anyway, but yeah, I like these straps. Nice, clean. Only thing I wish UGG would incorporate, which they probably will in the future, is like detachable straps. Overall, I am very satisfied with this bag. Like, I can't wait to style it, you know, do a nice little winter look with it, you know, post some flicks up on the ground. Other than that, that pretty much wraps up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave a comment. If you have a Telfar bag, make sure to leave a comment. If you have a UGG collaboration Telfar bag, make sure to tell me which one, and also leave a comment, subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next.